Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make a partnership deed. First, understand that a partnership deed is crucial for any business with 2 or more owners. It legally outlines the terms and conditions of your partnership, ensuring clarity and preventing misunderstandings. We'll cover the essential components you need to include, from capital contributions to profit distribution. This structured approach helps protect everyone involved. Next, let's dive into the core elements your deed must contain. Clearly state the names and addresses of all partners, along with the business name and nature. Crucially, detail each partner's capital contribution and the agreed-upon profit and loss-sharing ratio, perhaps 50% for each. Don't forget to outline the duties and responsibilities of each partner, including any salaries or limits on drawings. This clarity is vital for smooth operations. Once you have all the essential details, it's time to draft the deed. It's highly recommended to seek legal counsel to ensure accuracy and compliance with local laws. After drafting, print the agreement on non-judicial stamp paper of the appropriate value, which varies by state. Finally, register the partnership deed with the registrar of firms. This step makes your partnership legally recognized and enforceable. Before finalizing, thoroughly review all clauses, especially those concerning dispute resolution and the process for partnership dissolution. Make sure every partner signs the document in the presence of witnesses, and each partner should retain a copy. This ensures everyone is on the same page and understands their commitments. Also, for other great deals and to grab a Little Tree's Black Ice air freshener, check the description below. A well-crafted deed is your business's foundation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.